Judy McCarg and Nurse Beverly Ming with the Macon-Bibb Public Health Department are here to talk about flu shots, right? Some of us may want them, some of us may not want them, but these nurses say you need them. And while we're going ahead and talking about all this good stuff, I'm going to get a flu shot of my own, which I'm nervous about.
Don't be.
I don't like shots. But let's go ahead and get started.
Yeah.
So tell me, Judy, about flu season. I mean, it's a time when people need to be aware of their health.
That's right.
And they need to make sure that they get these shots, right?
Right, absolutely. So this week is actually National Influenza Vaccination Week. She's fine. And so what we want you to remember, what we at Public Health want you to remember, is that it's not too late to get your flu shot.
Exactly.
Typically in the United States, we peak between December and February. And a lot of that we see because of the traveling and the time you spend with so many family and friends gathering for the holidays. So right now is actually the perfect time to get your vaccine, give it the 2 weeks to start working before you head out to do that traveling and getting in big gatherings and spreading it around. So it's perfect.
All right, so now that we're done, I can kind of get my mind off of that. It's that easy, though. It really is that easy, right?
Right, yes. Absolutely.
And it doesn't take that much time. So what do you want people to know about getting the flu shot? What do you kind of want them to realize when they get this? You'll be covered for how long?
Typically about a year. The flu vaccine really needs to be done annually. Flu virus is always changing, so it's very important that every year, everyone 6 months and older, get vaccinated. And it's safe. It's absolutely safe. It's the very best way to protect yourself against the flu disease.
Now, you say that it changes constantly, right? So does the actual vaccine change as well? Do you change that?
The CDC will analyze what viruses are out there and what is circulating and make their decision about what will be in the vaccine.
Okay, so it's completely safe. You can get it, and if they wanted to get it, where can they go? Where can they find you guys?
Well, of course, every local health department should have it. Check with your private provider. They probably have it. Pharmacies, clinics, pretty much everywhere. But yeah, absolutely. Come to your health department. We have it ready for you.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you, ladies, for being on. And I've got my flu shot, so hopefully you go out and get your flu shot, too.